loves, I hope you all are doing amazing. I wanted to hop on camera today so you guys can see my face. I know it's been a while since I recorded a video with me, so here I am. All has been well. I've been traveling, living life, and just enjoying myself. So I hope you all are doing amazing as well. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cascading bouquet using Real Touch flowers that I got from Amazon. And I'm going to show you how to make them with a styrofoam ball and some brooches from Totally Dazzled. Everything that I'll be using will be listed down in the description box. Also, there will be a link over to my Amazon store. I have been getting it in order lately so you can easily find everything that I use in DIYs, and if you need any inspiration for your wedding, home, or any DIY ideas, I created a whole list down on my Amazon shop, so be sure to check that out. It's listed down below. Let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Ooh, that rhymes. Let's get started. So I'll be using the white Real Touch flowers. This is the 60 count, and they do have wired stems on the back of them, which is really nice, so you can easily place them inside of your styrofoam ball. There are 2 rows of the flowers inside of this box, and I'll also be using a 6.7 inch styrofoam ball that I got from Michaels. I will have a link over to Michaels so you can get this listed in the description box as well. So I ordered my beautiful brooches from Totally Dazzled, and I ordered the pack of 10 in the antique gold, and I already went ahead and took some of the wiring from the stems that I cut from the roses and placed them right behind the brooches so that I can easily place them inside of my bouquet. So I'll demonstrate how to do that on 3 of my brooches. So I'm simply going to cut about 1.5 inches down from my stem and cut off the wire. So first you'll stick your wire right underneath your brooch, and then you're just going to twist it to secure it in place. And that's how you apply your brooch to your wire. It's very sturdy and it'll stay in place. First I'll take my styrofoam ball and I'll place my first rose right at the bottom, and we'll create an angle on the sides here like so that I can cascade down, and then we'll put the rest of the flowers flat on the top. So here's what it looks like so far. So what you want to keep in mind is that you want to create a shape, okay? You have the nice ball shape up top, and then you want to create an angle. So keep your pivot point right here and just work all the way up. And I added flowers to the sides right here, but I didn't add any to the bottom quite yet. So next I'll show you how to make a handle. I'm going to use a paper towel holder, the cardboard that's from the inside of that, and some jumbo roll. This is a white satin silk color that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'll have it listed in the description box, and I'm going to make a beautiful holder for my bouquet. So first I'm going to flip this over, and we're going to place our cardboard in a desired location and hot glue it down. So I first placed my bouquet right on top of the cardboard holder. I want to look at it at the front before I make it permanent, and then I'm going to press it down so it can stick right inside of the styrofoam ball. So then go ahead and remove your cardboard. It made a nice indentation here. I'm going to take some of my hot glue and add it right inside of the styrofoam ball. And then you're going to take your cardboard and add it back to your styrofoam balls to secure it in place. It's pretty sturdy, but if you want to make sure that it's really secure, add some more hot glue around the side of your styrofoam and the cardboard holder. So next I'm going to take my jumbo roll, and I'm going to cut a little bitty part at the bottom off so that I can cover up the bottom of my bouquet. So I'm going to take a small piece of my ribbon and place it over the bottom of the holder. If it's not enough to cover up the whole bit, you'll just take another piece and hot glue it down on both sides. I'll show you. So then I'll add another piece to the other side so I can fully cover up my bottom of my bouquet holder. So you'll take some hot glue and you'll add it to the bottom. You'll place your ribbon right on top of that and make sure that it's fully aligned with the bottom of the bouquet so it can have a nice clean finish. So next I'll just lift this up a little bit and add some hot glue along the bottom of the handle so I can make sure everything is secured and in place. And then you're going to place your ribbon right on top of that. Try to make it as even as possible. So once you've wrapped your ribbon all the way up to the top, you're going to cut it off. You're going to pull this really tightly and then we're going to hot glue it down. So next I'm going to take my styrofoam ball and I'm going to fill in the rest with flowers, and I'm going to go back on in the top and fill in any gaps that I may have. I forgot to mention, if you see what's on my hand and you're like, what is that? I have a henna tattoo. It's not permanent. It's gonna come off in a few days, but it was really cool. I got it while I was in Houston, Texas this past weekend, and she did an amazing job. So if you want to check her out, she's on Facebook. I'll have her linked down below. So yeah. So next what I'll be doing is adding some tulle to the bottom of my bouquet using the tulle that I got from the Dollar Tree. So take your tulle and just literally wrap it in a couple of layers. People do it in different ways. I mean, I've wrapped it around cardboard, put, you know, rope around it and all type of stuff, and it takes a while sometimes. So this is just a faster way of doing it. Just fold it over, and you can either make it a pivot point like this, or you can just fold it like that and place it on the bottom. Okay, so you can do it, you know, any way that you want to. I kind of just look at the space that I have and just fill it in and just try and cover up the styrofoam like so. So next I'm going to start to add my brooches to my bouquet. So you're simply just going to place them where you want them and press the wire right into the styrofoam. And here's what it looks like once I went ahead and I added my brooches to the desired location. I love this. It definitely complements the bouquet by having it go in a diagonal to kind of show off the beautiful cascading part of it. So here's the back of it. I didn't add any brooches back here, but you can if you want to. And then the tulle is just simply at the bottom, okay? So lastly, I'm going to add 2 of my brooches right here to the back of my bouquet. And just because I'm so extra, you guys, I decided last minute to go ahead and add a bow to the back of my bouquet. So I just took some of the silk ribbon, tied it right here, and I'm going to double knot it so it can stay secure, and then I'm going to tie it into a bow. And I'm going to secure it down using some hot glue. And here is the finished product. This turned out beautiful. I love how lightweight these flowers are, and I'm very impressed with the quality of these as well. A beautiful, simple, elegant bouquet. You can get the brooches at Totally Dazzled. A link to them will be listed in the description box. I'll see you very soon in another DIY. I'm going to be doing another farmhouse DIY. So stay tuned for that. Have a blessed day. Bye.